Prime Minister Narendra Modi interacted with the top gamers of the country. Prime Minister discussed several issues related to the gaming industry. But one of the clips from the interaction is actually going viral. While interacting with the gamers, Prime Minister Narendra Modi said he'll not be able to use the word noob during elections because if he does, then people will understand about whom he is speaking. Now let me tell you what exactly noob means. Noob is a player who does not know how to perform well, who is actually very new to the game. Reacting to the clip, the BJP has said that the PM has not named anyone, saying that when no one in the opposition is reacting, why is it only the Congress party who's taken objection to the clip? Further taking a jibe, the BJP also said people in the Congress are aware that they do have a noob in the party.
P2G2 तो मेरा वो P2G2 शब्द ये है प्रो पीपल गुड गवर्नेंस P2G2
अच्छा एक और है नूब 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 का मतलब होता है कोई ऐसा जिसको कुछ बहुत मेहनत करने के बाद
देखिए मैं चुनाव सभा में अगर बोलूंगा
अरे नहीं
आप लोग सोचोगे मैं किसके लिए बोल रहा हूँ अगर मैं बोल दूंगा तो आप लोग उसके लिए बोला है
प्रधानमंत्री जी ने तो नूब कौन है ये नहीं कहा ना हमने कहा हमने तो कहा कि भाई जो रिएक्ट करने लग चुके हैं the people of Congress who are already reacting by their reaction they are proving who they have also understood is Rajniti ka noob. I mean imagine that this was a general thing that has been said and it shows how Prime Minister connects whether it's seniors, boomers, millennials, Gen Z. He connects with every section of society. He can talk in the lingo of Gen Z, he can talk in the lingo of the senior citizens. But on the other hand, today even the Congress is confirming that they have a noob amidst them because only the person who is affected by it is reacting by it.
That was Prime Minister Narendra Modi who spoke about the fact that he'll not be able to use the word noob in political rallies because if he does, then people will actually understand the person about whom he's referring to. In fact, it is the Congress party which has now taken notice of this and they are the ones who are reacting. My colleague Amit Bharadwaj is now joining me on the story. Amit, we have seen how Prime Minister actually did not name anyone but did give a hint about the leader about whom he was speaking, very clearly telling the givers that when he goes on the dais, when he speaks during the election rallies, he'll not be using the word noob.
True, Aishwarya. The Prime Minister making effort to reach out to the younger generation, the Gen Z as well, and catching up the words of, rather the dictionary of the Gen Z. And during this conversation, in a very, what you can say, candid moment of sorts, noob word had come up and the Prime Minister did, without taking any names, did mention that if he uses this particular word in the political rallies, people will understand who he is referring to, and there was a laughter after it. So a candid moment, but a political controversy also rolling out of it. The BJP is now saying that the Congress party feels offended because they know who is the Rajniti ka noob, the political noob. But in the days to come, we will definitely see that such banters would increase as the elections, the first polling is nearing, the first phase of voting is nearing. So the political banters are
with me. Udit Raj from the Congress party is also joining us on the story. Mr. Raj, the BJP saying that the Prime Minister did not name anyone, but why is the Congress party reacting? That's what the BJP says at the moment.
See, the Prime Minister is not reacting to it, but reacting to his label. Prime Minister, what is the label? That Prime Minister should talk about unemployment, inflation, and MSP farmer issues, rather than doing such a, I would say that worthless thing. That is what I say. That has he ever talked about unemployment, inflation, and of course China issue that China has already encroached more than 4,500 kilometers of land. Why he doesn't talk sensible things? Always try to distract. So this is what is a distraction.
So, Mr.
Going
Udit Raj,
out of-
you are saying that this is just a distraction and that's the reason why Prime Minister now is trying to make these kind of jibes, whereas you believe that he should be responding to the questions that are now being asked of the opposition party about jobs and about inflation.
Right, exactly. Right, exactly. And what about his promise that all promised to give 2 crore jobs for Rana? Has he ever opened his mouth on this? Has he opened his mouth on China incursion? China has already encroached vast area of our land. And it's not that we are saying that Sonam Wangchu is leading a big agitation there in Leh Ladakh. Why? He protests it and this, the China incursion. And of course, Arunachal. Of course, not only that, BJP member of parliament had spoken in the parliament that China has encroached land in Arunachal. Has he ever responded to it? They always distract and never come to the reality,
Right.
just to mislead the people.
Thank you, Udit Raj, Congress leader, who's now saying that Prime Minister now needs to respond to the questions being asked instead of making these kind of jibes. Let's once again listen to Prime Minister's interaction with India's top gamers.
P2G2, तो मेरा वो P2G2 शब्द ये है, प्रो पीपल गुड गवर्नेंस, P2G2.
अच्छा, एक और है नूब। नूब का मतलब होता है कोई ऐसा जिसको कुछ बहुत मेहनत करने के बाद।
देखिए, मैं चुनाव सभा में अगर बोलूंगा, अरे नहीं, आप लोग सोचोगे मैं किसके लिए बोल रहा हूँ। अगर मैं बोल दूंगा तो आप लोग उसके लिए बोला है।